Autumn. A great time for a walk in nature, right?
But what you don't know might hurt you.
Walking near a creek. Be warned. The spirits of long-ago river witches can trick or force you into the water. Marshy areas bring out the will-o-wisp. Never follow their eerie lights.
It's you again.
Avoid the dangerous Pukwudgie. The Púca is a shape-shifting spirit with terrifying tricks and malicious mischief. Seeing the Black Shuck is a deadly omen. The monstrous horned serpent, Yuktana, has a venomous breath and hypnotic powers. The Leshy rewards those who respect nature, but those who disrespect the forest unleash his wrath.